Hello friends, welcome to Holistic Health Channel. Today we will be discussing how to prevent heart disease and boost the functions of your heart. Apart from the curative aspect where the patient has to be hospitalized and has to undergo medication, these techniques can be allowed side by side along with this treatment because there is no side effect for these techniques and these are very simple to do. Acupressure and acupuncture techniques is a Chinese traditional medicine system which is an alternate medicine system for mind, body and spirit. In these techniques, pressure is given from moderate to firm pressure is given on certain pressure points, and these releases the blockages on the points, opens the meridians and allows the flow of energy to pass through, thereby restoring the balance and harmony of the body. Here I will be explaining three acupressure points, acupressure oblique acupuncture points, because acupuncture points can also be taken as acupressure points, as in acupuncture needles are inserted which we can't do it, so we will take them as acupressure points. And one hand mudra which will be very effective for preventing the heart disease. The first acupressure point which I will deal, which is directly connected with the organ of the heart. It is said that it is directly connected with the organ of your heart. So first take the palm of your left hand. This has to be done on the left hand only. Other two pressure points which I will be telling, second and third, that has to be done in both the hands, but this point has to be done only in the left hand. You have to take the palm of your left hand and then see the little finger and the ring finger and the in between point come down up to the heart line. Here where the bone of the little finger ends, if you are not able to find the end of it, you can take the middle portion of these two fingers and put it on the heart line, which is the major line in your hand, first major line on your head which starts from the fingers, and press it with thumb. I will suggest thumb because with finger also you can do, or some nails and pencils and pens also people are doing, but thumb is the best thing. But you should cut your nails before doing it, because so that there is no injury to the organ, because it will be directly connected to the organ. Stimulate this point with your thumb or in a circular motion for 1 or 2 minutes. It will be just like as you are pumping your heart and massaging your heart, and as if you are treating your heart. It will remove all the blockages in your heart if it is practiced regularly for a longer period. It has to be practiced regularly and it has to be done from 1 to 2 minutes, twice or thrice in a day. It has to be done only on the left hand. So this is very effective point for stimulation which will cure many type of heart disease. The second point is again on the, come down to the palm side, come down to the down of the your little finger, exactly down come, where the crease of your wrist starts. There is in the corner of it, there is a point, actually this point is located between two bones which are pisiform and ulnar bones. Pisiform is here in the palm and ulnar is on the wrist side, but if you are not able to locate the bones, then come exactly on the crease, the transverse end of the crease, first crease of your wrist, and exactly down below the little finger. Press this point for again 1 or 2 minutes, twice or thrice in a day, but it has to be done in both the hands. This point is known as the HT7 or heart 7 point, and this is the cardinal point for emotions, anxiety and palpitations. This point is so useful that it will cure your palpitations, angina pectoris, irregular heart beating and pounding of heart and hypertension. This is also beneficial in case of insomnia, anxiety, nausea and emotional and psychological issues. You can see it, and these are very easy to do it. While doing other work also you can do it. Only thing is that your hands should be free, and this has to be practiced in both the hands. Now I will come to the third point. Third point also come to the crease of your wrist and leave 3 fingers apart. 3 fingers have to be left, and after the 3 fingers which the point will come, this is the point which is called as P6 point or pericardium 6. It is also known as the inner gate. The earlier point H7 was known as the spirit gate, and this is known as the inner gate. This is also the cardinal point for chest and digestion, and this is beneficial in case of chest heaviness, chest pain, anxiety, angina pectoris and palpitation. This is also beneficial in case of stress and motion sickness and vomiting during the travel period, because this is the cardinal point for digestion also. So, this also you have to press it, stimulate it in a circular motion for 1 to 2 minutes in both the hands for twice or thrice in a day, and by pressing all these points you will be able to cure many type of heart disease. Now I am going to tell one hand mudra which is very beneficial in respect of all the heart disease, which is called as the Apan Vayu Mudra. It is called as the Apan Vayu Mudra because it is a combination of 2 mudras, Apan Mudra and Vayu Mudra. And this is also known as the mritsanjivani mudra because it was believed that it has brought back the lives of many people in ancient times, those who were suffering from heart attack, and by performing this mudra they have got the benefit. This mudra I will tell how you have to do it. First you will take the index finger of your hand. It has to be done in both the hands. I will show in both the hands so that you will be able to learn it. Index finger, fold it and place it on the base of your thumb, and then your thumb has to touch the middle finger and ring finger together, and little finger has to be kept straight apart. Similarly, I will show it in the left hand also. Fold the index finger, place it at the base of the thumb and touch the thumb with the middle finger and ring finger, and little finger has to be kept apart. This is very effective mudra, and by touching the index finger to the base of the thumb, you are reducing the air element, and in this way you are reducing the pain, any type of pain in the chest and heart. And by touching the thumb to the middle finger and ring finger, you are increasing the fire element and earth element, which thereby is detoxifying and cleansing your body and is increasing the flow of oxygen to the arteries of the heart, and thereby it cures you of many diseases. This is also known as the emergency treatment in case of the patients who are having heart attack and they are being taken to the hospital, because at that time also the patient can do this mudra, should do it, because this is an emergency treatment and it can be done in any position, sitting, standing, walking, talking, watching TV, reading, any situation, and reclining, lying down. And when the patient is being taken to the hospital in a reclining position, he can do this mudra, because it will safely take him to the hospital without further damaging the organ. And even if the patient is in unconscious state, the person who is accompanying him can perform this mudra in his hands by putting bandages or rubber band around these fingers. It is very easy, one rubber band here and one here, it can be done, and this mudra will be performed, because this is very effective mudra. Apart from these acupressure point and Apan Vayu Mudra, I am suggesting that strict diet regimen may also be maintained, and good habits may also be maintained, such as avoiding smoking and alcohol, and taking sufficient rest and sleep for 8 hours, those who are suffering from this disease, and physical exercise, breathing exercise, meditation, yoga, these should also be practiced side by side along with this. And if you are practicing diet habits, good habits, and these acupressure techniques, you will be boosting your heart with a zero cost and zero side effects. So you see, this is so easy to perform. You can do while talking, while doing anything. And this mudra has to be done, one thing I have forgot, this mudra has to be done for 30 to 45 minutes, and those who are having cough dosh, they can do it for 30 minutes, and others can do it for maximum in a day for 45 minutes. And if you are not able to do it in one stretch, you can do it, break it in 3 parts, and timings can be divided as per your convenience. So boost your heart with the healing touch of acupressure, acupuncture points, and Apan Vayu Mudra, and be strong. Thanks for watching the video, and hope you have liked it. If you have liked it, share it with others, so they can also take benefit of the healing touch of acupressure. Thanks once again for watching the video.